Established with a commitment to excellence, Overseas Industrial Technical Institute, and ISO 9001:2015, and NCVTE approved by Government of India, and Ministry of MSME, Government of India. We are also affiliated with NEBOSH and we are NEBOSH Gold Learning Partner. We offer wide range of courses like NEBOSH IGC, OSHA Managing Safety, Fire and Safety Management, Industrial Safety Management, Advanced Diploma in Industrial Safety, PGDISM, Instrument Technician, Instrumentation QA, QC, HVAC Technician, AC and Refrigeration Technician, HVAC Designing, and many more. We are affiliated with national and international organizations, and our training programs are recognized and valued by leading companies. We offer 100% placement assistance in India and Gulf countries, and our industry-oriented training prepares you for real challenges. Practical sessions and simulations ensure you are job ready from day one. Placements offers from various reputed industries. Ready to elevate your career? Contact us today to enroll in our industrial-based various courses. For more details, call us on 8697800167, 858-392-8127, or 33-2264-0018, and visit our website www.overseasiti.com.